So I wanted to show you guys what it's like to actually work one-on-one with me, or also give you some insight or some inside looks at what it's like to work with any coach. As a coach myself, I've also hired coaches to help me and assist me in my journey as I reach new levels of success. I remember when I first started, and I was making some money, but I wanted to scale, so I had to hire a coach to help me get my business to another level of success financially, and they show me how to do that. And I get the experience. I know what it's like to feel like you know if you're gonna invest in a coach, they're expensive. You understand why they're costly. You understand that they could possibly help you, but just the feeling of, if I invest in this coach, are they going to be a good coach? How is the process? What's it going to be like? Is it going to be difficult? Is it going to be any conflict? Is it going to be a lot of learning curve? And I feel like I'm losing my money and not learning anything. I get all of that. Now, I can't speak for all different coaches. I have also worked with some coaches, nothing bad about them, but their strategy of teaching was a little bit complicated for me, and I didn't fault that on them. No, it's always a gamble, and it's always just taking that leap of faith in and investing in yourself. But I will say, with all different coaches that I've worked with, I did learn something. I didn't walk away totally empty-handed. But for me, how I coach, I wanted to eliminate that fear factor or that anxiety that you might be having with working with somebody like me, especially if you've been following me and watching all of my content. So this video, I'm going to show you the inside look of one of the people that I'm working with. It's a young, beautiful lady. Her name is Andrea, and she just started, and she decided to work with me, and I've been coaching her. So she's totally a beginner. She doesn't know anything about digital marketing, believes that she could be successful with it, but she just doesn't know where to start. She doesn't know how to do a lot of things. She's a complete beginner. She's not tech savvy. So I'm working with her from scratch, and she's just beginning. So I thought I'd give you guys a little insight and how that process is based off where you are in your journey, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or you had some success. I thought I'd use this case study with Andrea to show you guys what it's like. So without further ado, I'm just going to drop the video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Peace. Lead magnet here, over here to the left, automation rules is where you're going to go. All right. So what you're going to do is I'm going to show you what's inside of this so you can see. So we're going to do trigger, and then we're going to select funnel step form subscribe. We're going to select the funnel, and then we're going to select the funnel step. So the name of this funnel is the first 1K funnel. And this is the funnel step. All of these are the steps inside the funnel. So the customer lands here. They go, after they get the free lead magnet, they go to the redirected page. This is the first order. They get offered an upsell thank you page. This is what you put in your emails right here to get them to come back. All right. So after they go here, it ends. This is a link for them in the emails, but we'll get to that later. But I'm just showing you how to look at the process we're about to do. So we got to set a trigger, funnel step, form subscribe, funnel step. All right. And then the action over here, the trigger means when they give you your email, give you their email, all right, it's going to trigger this, but what do we want it to do? So this is what it happens. So it says, when this event happens, do this. So when they subscribe by giving us their email, says this occurs when a contact has just subscribed to a form, which is the email and name form on that page. So if we go here, this is the actual page they're going to be on. All right. So if they say, okay, yes, I want this, and they click and they give the name, they click this button, it's going to trigger this right here. But all it does is trigger. Okay. Now then we have to tell it what we want to happen. Okay. So when they subscribe, we're going to start the email campaign. All right. So you downloaded your emails, campaigns. All right. So this is the first one. This is if they bought. This is if they do the order bump. All right. but this is the one we're going to do first. Once you do this one, you could do all the other ones the same way. All right. So we're just going to start with this one. So, but this is the campaign that you imported. All right. So it's going to trigger this campaign. So now let's go back. All right. Automation rules. And I'm just showing you everything that's inside. So when they subscribe, it's going to trigger that campaign. We are going to add a tag, right? So the tag is for people that have already opted in. Okay. It's going to send them that campaign only because they haven't bought anything.
Okay.
Are you with me so far?
I think so.
All right. So the first thing we're going to do, okay, we're going to go over to contacts. And then we're going to go to tags. All right. So are you able to do that right fast? Okay, cool. Now, once you're here, you're going to click on create, and then you're going to put in 1K opt-in, all one word. All right. I'm just going to put test on mine. So I won't mix them up.
Then I hit save.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just double checking some stuff, make sure I don't get um skip
Mess
any
yourself
step.
up.
Yeah. I gotta tell you, I'm honest. I learned how to do it, and then I
Hmm.
hire people to do it for me. So
Oh.
so that's why I'm like, I gotta make sure I don't do it after that. All right. So once you click save, you're good. So now we're gonna go back to websites and sales funnels, and then we're gonna go back to the first 1K funnel. We're gonna make sure we have the 1K lead magnet highlighted over here to the top left of that funnel step. Then we're going to go to automation rules. And then this is where I'm going to switch up with you. I'm going to allow you to share your screen. All right, click add rule. All right. So where it says trigger, go over to that little plus sign and click that. And we're going to click on funnel step form subscribed. You see, it already has first 1K funnel, first 1K lead magnet. Okay, so that's already set for you. So
Okay.
now we're going to go over to action and click the plus sign. All right, so we're going to click subscribe to campaign. All right, and then we're going to choose the campaign, first 1K funnel, and then click the plus sign again and click add a tag and click 1K opt-in. You see how you can see it?
Hmm.
All right, now scroll down again and click save rule. All right, so now when they give you your email address on that first page, it's going to trigger the campaign. All right, now what we're going to do is I want you to go to emails and go to campaigns. All right, click on first 1K funnel promo. So that first email, that's the first one that's going to go out that says welcome to digital. That's going to send them the product.
Okay.
Okay. And then the second email and every email after that is going to send them emails redirecting them to purchase the $7 product. So we're trying
Mhm.
to move them towards each step to buying something. But the first, before this can happen, we have to activate the emails. Okay.
Okay.
And then before we activate the emails, we have to edit them. All right. So I'm gonna do the first email with you. So go to welcome to digital. Just click that blue link. Yeah. So I want to show you how digital profit mastery. You see that red link?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So now go back to your Google Drive. All right. So scroll down to the book. Yeah, double click on that. All right. So where it says over to the right top, it says share, click the drop down menu. Better yet, click the word share. Now where it says restricted, click the drop down menu and click anyone with the link and click copy link and then click done. All right, now go back to system.io. Click your cursor in front of the red D for digital and highlight all of that. All right, so you see that thing popped up. We're going to click the pencil to the right of that
Oh, right
link.
here.
Uh-huh. And then you're going to right click and click paste and then the check. All right, now scroll down and see if there's another link like that. You see it again? We're going to do all of those links like that. All right. So now at the very bottom, go back down all the way towards the bottom, and you're going to change my name to your name. And you can just put your first name or whatever you want to call yourself. All right. And then I can't see your entire screen, but it should be something that says save or something because we're done now. All right. Now, once you have your email, if you that go to that first email, but go all the way to the right to the three dots, and you would click activate. So let's go ahead and do that. It should. And this is the first email. I want you to understand only on the first email you can skip this process because it's automatically going to send when they click the submit button, giving you the email address. Okay. All right. So just click activate. So I hope that video helped you guys. If you like what you saw and you want to work with me, you want to take a chance and hire me to work with you in your digital marketing or digital product journey, I'm going to leave all the links down below in this video to where you can book a session with me and see if we're a good fit. You can ask any and all questions that you like, and I can get kind of lay out the overview snapshot of what I expect from you, and you can also tell me what you expect from me, and we just go from there. All right, so till then, I see you guys. Stay blessed, and I see you on the other side of success. I'm out.